Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we will need just to create reports for our contacts so we can be able to export them. So here in the report section, we can just create a new report or we can access to the report page. Here we click on a new report and after that, we need just to choose a category. When we need just to choose account and contacts, we choose the contacts. And after that, we need to click on start report. So basically, we click on start report and then you can choose any columns that you would like to include. So from there, you will need just to click on save and run, for example, or anything that you would like. And here, choose any columns that you would like. Also, you can start filtering your uh, query. And then I will just simply click on save and run, or I will just simply run the report. And now we have this reporting. So basically, at the end, we will find all these reports that have been created or these records that has been created. And to export them, simply we need just to go and click on export. So here we will find the save if you want to save this report somewhere in your Salesforce, or you can simply export it. So here we will need just to have the export view, and this is the format. You can make it as a CSV or it can be an XLS. So by having it in an Excel format, you will choose also the encoding if it's necessary. Then you will click on export and then you will be able to download these exporting or this report. So basically, in simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.